Hello team, in this we're going to talk about managing cloud applications. So in the previous video we talked about managing distributed systems, and the classical approach for distributed systems doesn't apply very well to cloud applications. So let's have a look at the differences. In a distributed system, we have usually monolithic applications on each node, and thus the monitoring system needs to track multiple instances of this monolithic application. In a cloud-native application, we have multiple containers and pods in each microservice, and each node might run multiple microservices. So the monitoring system needs to track multiple instances of multiple microservices on multiple nodes. So it's usually a lot more instances to monitor. Another difference is that in a distributed system, the set of instances that we need to monitor are more static, and they usually persist. For example, in the driver's license example, the states are fixed and instances run all the time. In a cloud application, instances may move, the containers are ephemeral so we can create new ones and they can move to different VMs. A monitoring system for a cloud application doesn't know which instances exist in advance, and that instances can move and change over time. And finally, in a distributed system, the number of instances is usually fixed, but in cloud-native applications, auto-scaling creates and destroys instances all the time. So this also implies differences in how the monitoring system needs to operate. For example, if a container or a pod is destroyed because the load is very low, so we are downscaling right now. So this container is going to disappear. It's not a failure. No one needs to be modified. It's just, normal operation of the system. So the monitoring and the management system needs to know that it's operating on the cloud environment, and it's going to be structured and behave a little bit different than a classical monitoring system.